Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
Okay, so right now we're going to talk about creating a video before you hit record. And we're going to talk about devices first. There are so many devices that you could be recording on. And a lot of people ask that, how do you do the recording? How do you do the editing? And really what you're going to do is you're going to find out what feels right for you. There are several things. You could use your computer with a webcam. You could use your phone. These phones these days have better cameras than you could probably buy sometimes for that price. And you could use a regular camera. And if you want to, you could use your camera and your phone and record the same session in two different views so that when you're putting the video together, if you want to edit it, you can be using that as well. Also, you could use your YouTube app on your phone. It's another place that some people swear by it. You can make both landscape and portrait size videos. Let me just show you what that looks like for people who don't know the difference. This is like a long form video will be landscape or horizontal. And then if you're making shorts, they would be this way. And you could go in there, you hit the button, you record. There's editing features, there are filters, there's many things that you can add to that to enhance your video. And people find it much quicker. Maybe people in the mature audience, they want to just do what they know best, and that's a webcam. So that's really up to you. But you do have that option. You also have the option to use YouTube Live. You can go on a YouTube Live with or without an audience and then record it. And you could use Zoom. And if you use Zoom, I have many people who only Zoom in when they're by themselves. And that's where all the videos stem from. Totally up to you. There's also the difference in what you can do. Like on your shorts are under 1 minute. And I'm going to say under a minute because if you have it at 1 minute, there's a chance it won't become a short. It'll still be considered a long form video. And then what happens is it's going to show up like this with this size. And then the video itself is only going to be a portrait. And it's going to look a little weird. So you want to make a portrait that looks like the portrait. And you want to be able to long film to be a completely full screen. Also, when you first start your YouTube channel, you have 15 minutes maximum that you can create a video. And you say, well, how come other people are putting theirs on for 12 hours? All you have to do to get a video to go from 15 minutes to 12 hours is you have to go and verify your phone number. And you do that in the settings section, which we talked about. And there's a video on that if you need some help, but it's pretty easy. Just go in there and find out how to verify your phone number. And that 12 hours long could be that or 256 gig, I think.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.